Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We are finally back, and for today's episode we are cleaning a Reebok shoe. Now this is a collab from Adidas. So this has Boost midsole and the Instapump silhouette. So let's go guys. Hello guys, and it's good to be back. Hope everyone's okay. Now for today's episode, we have this Instapump shoe. This features a laceless system. You just pump it to tighten the shoe. Very nice technology. Now this has Boost midsole. As you can see guys, yellowing concern for this one, and a dirty shoe. So for today we're gonna use we're gonna clean first the shoe and whiten the boost using our boost whitener, and finish it off with a matte finisher. So let's go ahead and proceed with the video. Hello guys, and we are done with cleaning the shoe. Now there are some pretty obvious yellowing on the boost, which is very common. So we're gonna apply this boost whitener, then finish it up with a finisher for the solution to last longer. Let's go. And that is it guys, we are done. So here's the final product. Boost is all white now, and this is good to go. By the way, we use Clyde for our shoe cleaner, our go-to shoe cleaning solution. And if you like this video, guys, please do support and subscribe to this channel. You could also see us in Facebook and Instagram in Sneaker Keeper Cebu. And I will see you guys on our next shoe cleaning video. Take care, guys. Bye.